Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best unlocked flip phones that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a reliable backup device, a simple phone for a loved one, or just want to enjoy the nostalgia of a flip phone, we've got you covered. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started. At number 4, we have the AGM M10 flip phone. Priced at $79, this rugged device is designed for users who need durability and reliability. With its IP68 waterproof, dustproof, and military-grade drop-proof certifications, this phone is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone working in harsh environments. It features a compact 2.4-inch screen and weighs just under 5 ounces, making it portable and easy to use. One of the highlights of the AGM M10 is its attention to essential functions. It includes a quick access flashlight button, an SOS emergency button, and a dedicated FM radio button for entertainment. The bright front notification LED ensures you never miss alerts, even in noisy environments. However, it's worth mentioning that this phone is only compatible with T-Mobile, which could be a deal-breaker for some. The AGM M10 is all about functionality over frills. It's not a smart device, so don't expect app stores or advanced features. Instead, it's built for users who need a reliable, tough phone for calls, texts, and emergencies. Pros include its rugged durability, lightweight design, and essential features. On the downside, its compatibility with only one carrier and limited smart capabilities might not appeal to everyone. Still, it's a niche product that serves its purpose exceptionally well. Taking the third spot is the TCL Go Flip 2, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $54.99. Don't let the price fool you. This phone offers some surprisingly solid features for the cost. It comes with 8 GB of internal storage, which is expandable via microSD, and 1 GB of RAM. The 2.8-inch display is clear and easy to read, paired with a large keypad that's designed for accessibility. The Go Flip 2 supports 4G VoLTE, ensuring clear call quality, and it even has a quick dial emergency button, perfect for seniors or anyone who values quick access to help. The phone also runs on Android 11, which is a rare find in a flip phone, offering limited app compatibility for basic browsing and email use. That said, the camera performance is basic at best, and the overall design leans toward functionality over style. This phone is ideal for budget-conscious consumers who want an easy-to-use device for calls, texts, and occasional internet browsing. Pros include its affordable price, straightforward design, and Android 11 support. On the downside, the battery life is average, and the camera leaves much to be desired. Still, for under $55, it's an excellent value. At number 2, we have the Nokia 2780 Flip, a robust mid-range option priced at $89.99. Nokia has always been synonymous with durability, and this phone is no exception. With its highly durable flip design, this phone is built to handle daily wear and tear. The 2.7-inch screen displays caller ID on the outer screen, and flipping the phone closed ends calls with satisfying precision. The Nokia 2780 runs on KaiOS, offering basic app support, including internet browsing and GPS functionality. Enhanced accessibility features such as larger buttons, hearing aid compatibility, and a dedicated emergency button make it an excellent choice for seniors. It also includes a 1450 mAh removable battery, which, although not the biggest on the list, provides up to 7 hours of talk time. This phone is perfect for users who want a reliable, no-nonsense device that can handle the basics while offering a touch of modern functionality. Pros include its durable design, accessibility features, and universal carrier compatibility. Cons: limited smart functionality and a slightly smaller screen compared to others. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone who values reliability and simplicity. Finally, at the top of our list is the Barbie flip phone by HMD. At $99.99, this premium option combines style and functionality in a way that's hard to beat. The Barbie Flip is not just a phone, it's a statement piece. The power pink design, Customizable covers and included stickers and charms make it the most stylish option on this list. Functionally, the Barbie Flip runs on KaiOS, offering support for apps, GPS, and more. It's compatible with all carriers, making it a versatile option for users across the board. The included beaded lanyard and cleaning cloth are thoughtful additions, adding to the overall premium feel of this device. While it doesn't boast the rugged durability of the AGM M10 or the affordability of the TCL Go Flip 2, it strikes a perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. This phone is ideal for users who want a stylish, reliable device that can handle the basics while looking great. Pros include its eye-catching design, carrier compatibility, and solid performance. On the downside, it's the most expensive phone on our list, but if you're willing to splurge, it's absolutely worth it. A perfect choice for fashion-forward users who want a bit of flair with their functionality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.